out. Hopefully we're gonna see some snow.
Yeah, we're so excited and we're taking the cable car.
Yes, so follow up to see what's coming next. So this is our beautiful ship, the Ovation of the Seas.
Actually, it's our beautiful home. We've lived here for 2
Yeah.
months now.
We still got 2 more months left. And we have here Chris Wong, ladies and gentlemen, in the house.
What's up?
It's another beautiful day here in Juneau, Alaska. Okay, so this is the place where we're gonna get the tacos. Well, there's a line already because everybody's hungry. We can get 3 tacos for $22, I think. The fish tacos here are really, really good, especially the Hollywood tacos. You can see the line over there. And this is where everybody's gonna eat. Lots of people around.
How about you get tacos and I get the
No, we're not gonna eat. No, we're not gonna get full because we need to go for Asian food later. So we ordered the fish tacos. We're starving. It's a Theresa. Theresa have a very nice pizza crepe. For how much was that, Theresa?
Myself.
For $13 only. Wow.
I don't know if that's cheap or expensive.
I want the crabs though, but nobody lets me buy it.
No. It's not gonna happen. We're on a budget right now. So finally the tacos are here. Yeah. It's only one each, so sorry for Monika. Hey, I'm the one who's starving.
Expecting the whole meal.
I thought it was bringing the all.
Here we go. Fish tacos. This is fish. We tried halibut.
Giuseppe was expecting more.
Let's see which is better. Halibut.
Me, I'm just gonna put some lemon.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat.
Let's see.
Well, it tastes the same as the halibut to me.
It does taste the same.
All the fish taste the same.
They're really, really good. Difference is, I can get this in Cozumel for $1 and eat at the street. So we're about to take the cable car or the tram right here. I don't see a big line, which is good. You can see people waiting there. And that's where we're going. This is the place. We'll see. So we just got the tickets. Usually the price is $45, but because we're crew members, we pay only
30.
Yeah, 15 each, $30 a total. So we got these little stamps in the shape of the cable car. Well, they call it here the Tram. So we are the first on the line, but we'll see because we'll try to get first.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, please watch your step.
And here we are.
The Gulbet Tram may be the only way to get to the top of Mount Roberts, but it's not the only reason to take a ride. The aerial tramway exceeds nearly 3,800 feet from downtown Juneau to the top of Mount Roberts, where you will find the nature center along with breathtaking panoramas of downtown Juneau. The tram runs every day from late May through mid-September, and the ride takes about 15 minutes. The tram is a great option if you're short on time or are traveling with very young children.
And this is the view that we got. Finally, we're here on top. You can see our beautiful ship right there in the bottom. Actually, for big cruise ships. We have another two Princess cruise ships right there. Mighty too. And the beautiful view of Juneau, Alaska. You can get a good workout on the trail to the top of Mount Roberts. There are many trails to choose from and the scenery is stunning and the trip takes about an hour and a half. If you're pressed for time, rides depart every 15 minutes between 8:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. Yeah, it's kind of chilly now. I think we're at 13 degrees at the moment, if not 11, because we're very high. So here we are in the trail. I'm the last one on the line, I don't know why. I believe it's physics. And we made it to the top.
Yay!
We had this beautiful view.
Amazing view, but there is no snow. As it is the end of the season, we try to look for one. We could only see at the top of the mountains, like over there, right over there. Yeah, we cannot go that far. It will take us another 2-3 days. Business days.
Yeah, so it's a very nice hike. Totally recommended if you guys take the tram or the cable car in Juneau, Alaska. You can enjoy the view, especially today that it's a sunny day. It's not that hot, which is nice. It's a little bit fresh. Obviously, it's Alaska. And look at the view. You can see the cruise ships down below over there. Yeah, we can't see our ship, but we can see the Princess ship. And it looks beautiful.
It looks very beautiful.
So we're going back now. We're in the line. It was an amazing hiking.
And now we're going to eat some Thai food.
It's actually Asian food.
Okay, but they have Thai tea.
Yeah.
People call it Chinese or Thai. I'm just like,
Yeah, no,
Asian all
it's
around.
just Asian all around. Yeah. We have the beautiful view right here. And cheers!
Thai tea.
Egg roll soup. So I got my chicken wings and my shrimp tempura. So we finally got our flying lines,
Shrimp fried rice.
shrimp fried rice, and our sweet and sour pork. Chris got his is it beef or chicken?
I got steak pho.
Steak pho. And Theresa got chicken pho. And Giuseppe got sweet and sour pork.
Huh.
So he got his pho. 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 And we're back in the ship, guys. It was such a great day here in Juneau, Alaska.
We had amazing food, amazing day.
Yeah, taking the cable car, great experience. So we're looking forward to see you next week.
See ya.
Ciao for now.